Hello guys, welcome to my channel, The Medical World. This is Kanika Arora, and our topic is about the mechanical aids. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's start the topic. First, we will know what are mechanical aids or what are mobility aids. Same thing. The mobility aid is a device which is designed to assist in walking or helps to improve the mobility of the people who are suffering from the impairment. That is, they cannot walk properly. There are various type of mechanical aids that assist in walking. That is the canes, crutches, canes, walkers, walking cane hybrids, and gait trainers. So next I will explain in this video further about these type of mechanical aids. Now I will discuss about the purposes of the mechanical devices. So here is the list of the purposes. First one is improvement of the stability. What do you mean by stability? That is balance. Whenever there is affected limb or any pain in the lower limb, the mechanical devices are used so that there can be balance in the body parts and it will generate the movement for the human being. Second purpose is to reduce the lower limb loading, that is, it provides the static forces and balance to the lower limb so that the body weight can be bare and the person can move easily or walk easily. Third one is the generates the movement. It is very common that mechanical devices are used for movement, so it it carries out the half weight, that is the mechanical devices. That is why it is used for to have the movement if there is any injury. Next is the types of the mechanical devices. That is, here are the names which are the mechanical devices used. First one is the cane, second one is the clutches, third one is the walker, fourth one is the walker cane hybrid, and fifth one is the gait trainers. Further, I will explain each of them. Here on the screen you can see the picture of the cane. It is also called the walking stick and it is a form of simplest form of the walking aid. It is held in the hand and it transmits load to the floor through the shaft. The load which can be applied through the cane is transmitted through the user's hand and wrist, limited to these. Next one, the clutches. You can see the picture on the screen that it transmits the load to the ground through the shaft, but it has two points of contact with the arm so that the arms can be supported as well, which can be placed at the hand or either elbow, or it can be also placed below the armpit. It allows significantly high loads to be exerted through the clutch in comparison to the cane. So those persons who cannot bear more weight and their arms are also weak, they can use this. Third one is the walker. We all are very familiar with this word, the walker. It is because it is the most stable walking aid and consists of the freestanding metal framework with three or more points of contact which the user places in front of them and then grips during the movement. The points of contact may be either fixed rubber funnels with crutches or canes or wheels or the combination of both. Wheeled walkers are also known as the rotators. Many of these walkers also come with the inbuilt seat so that the user may rest during the use with the metal pouches to carry the personal. Next one is the walker cane hybrid. A walker cane hybrid was introduced in 2012 to bridge the gap between the cane and the walker. The hybrid has two legs which provide the lateral support with the cane cannot. It can be used with two hands in front of the user, similar to the walker, and provides the increased level of support compared with the cane. It can be adjusted for use with either one or two hands in the front or in the sides, as well as the stair climbing assistance. The hybrid is not designed to replace a walker, which normally has four legs and provides four-way support for both hands. one is the gait trainers. That is, it is the device which is used to assist walking that has entered the market in recent year. That is the gait trainer. It is the mobility aid that is more supportive than the standard walker. It typically offers support that assists weight bearing and balance. The accessories or product parts that attach to the product's frame provides underweighting support and posture alignment to enable the walking practice. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this new topic, the mechanical aids. I'm coming with more topics, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can see my daily videos. Thank you.